Today, we will create a crosstab report template and then generate a PDF report from it. So let's get started. First, we will log in to our Oracle Apex workspace. Now, go to the page in your application where you want to use MaxPrint plugin. First, create a button and name it to MaxPrint V2. Now, add a dynamic action and name it as you like. We are naming Crosstab in this demo. Now, in true condition of dynamic action, select your installed MaxPrint V2 plugin. Now you see the plugin settings. For action, we will use Create option, which is used for creating a template. For data source type, we will use SQL query. For SQL type, we will use JSON Object SQL. MaxPrint V2 also supports Simple SQL and Cursor SQL. Now we write our query in Query section. For convenience, we are just pasting it. Now we save and run. On the page where we created the button, click our MaxPrint V2 button. We are now redirected to our MaxPrint Designer page. We can also select the built-in crosstab template, which is pre-configured with basic crosstab report format. For better understanding, we are choosing blank template in this demo. Now press Continue. Now search for Table element and drag it onto the canvas. Click on the table and bind the table with the resultant data we received of our query from Oracle Apex, imported data.report. Now we will bind the header with dynamic columns. After that, bind your data with columns as per your requirements. Adjust the labels, width of columns, and then preview your work and adjust accordingly. Copy the template ID from the Copy button, which is right beside the template name, and save the template. Now go back into Oracle Apex where you are using MaxPrint V2. Now for Action option, we will select Edit option. Now in Template Source, we will select Template ID as source, and in Template ID section, paste the copied template ID. Now save the changes and press the Plugin button again on the application page. We will be redirected to MaxPrint Designer and our saved template will be opened. Here, we will add simple text field to show changes. After making any changes to the template, save the template and copy the template ID. Now go back to your application page in Oracle Apex. Select Run option from Actions in Settings. This is used for generating PDF reports. Now we use the copied template ID and select output type as PDF. Set output file name which you want. Here it is Crosstab Report. For output method, we select Download to download the PDF report file. Now save and go to our Apex application and press the MaxPrint V2 plugin button to download the PDF report file. Open the PDF report. Wow, you have just created a simple crosstab report. Thank you for watching. Happy reporting.